You're listening to Radio Azad, and this is Double Shot Espresso with life coach Tasneem and Aisha. Our topic today is all about independence, self independence, and how much of independence is good, how much is toxic, advantages, disadvantages. What about our society and our culture? How much of it really gives a lot of credence to being independent, especially for our women? I think this is a question that we need to ask ourselves. What does independence and self-independence mean to you?
To me, I think independence is something that our generation, and particularly me, I think we worked for. Those of us who believe that we are independent now, or leading a life of self-reliance, it's come at a price. It's come with trial and errors. It's not given to us on a platter. And that's not to blame my family or my parents or my upbringing in any way. It's just probably the world as it was, society as it was, and it always is changing. And I think the empowerment that women have achieved over the decades has improved dramatically and drastically, so much so that Gen Z take it for granted and something that they are privileged to be born with. So for me, I think being self-independent or self-reliant is when you're in a position to be able to take decisions, act on those,
Mhm.
and live a life where you are responsible for yourself. Uh, and it does not really overlap with any of uh, societal norms in the sense it does, but you're still allowed to take an alternate path and say, hey, I've decided to do this and I'm going to do this, and bear the consequences if so be it, but live a life of authenticity.
Authenticity. I think you used some magic words in there. And for me, what jumped out was responsibility. Because to me, independence means being responsible for your own physical, your mental, your financial, and your emotional well being. Right?
Absolutely, I
And trying
agree.
to keep it all in balance seems to be the key in this
Hmm.
whole thing. But what do you think about our culture? The age old patriarchal background that we come from, seems to me that women are, to a large extent, brought up to be dependent on their fathers, their brothers, their husbands, and their sons, right? But that is slowly changing.
Mm-hmm.
But do you think that now the pendulum has kind of swung to the other extreme?
I do believe so. I mean, we are generalizing again, and each family to their own, but on a generalized perspective, I do feel that that is true, where then independence is now probably, it's absolutely, how should I say, no, cheen ke lena, advantage lena,
Mm.
independence ka. And I think when you become too self-reliant, sometimes we'll talk about that, how that can, go bad for you too. But definitely, as you said, we come from patriarchal societies where we were not really, like, I remember that somehow, I don't know how I perceive this unconsciously, or was it told to me? Ab mujhe wo hazy hai memory. But I remember telling that, nahi, drive tasneem nahi kar paegi. Somehow, I don't know why this belief system had gone in my head. So you
Mhm.
won't believe when I learned driving. I learned driving when I was about 35.
Wow, really?
That's late, yeah.
Yeah.
Because somehow I just assumed that मुझे तो ड्राइविंग की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी, मैं तो ड्राइविंग
Mhm.
कर ही नहीं सकती, या मेरे पास ड्राइवर है.
Mhm.
Either which perspective you take, the underlying belief was that I cannot drive. And therefore, when I was put in a situation where I had no choice but to drive, because otherwise there was no other means of transport, that's when I was so very, very scared. The fear. So
Mm.
I think one of the breakthrough points of someone who is very dependent on others, or just different ways of gaining support, then fear, breaking through your own self-perceived fears, is vital. It's key over there.
And you're not the only one. Is it safe, first of all, to get into a car with you?
Now it is very, very safe.
Watch out.
Earlier it wasn't, because I think I may have shared my really funny story with you. But I failed my first driving test, which was in Abu Dhabi. And I remember I got into the car and I was so nervous. And there were like 3 other examiners who get into the car, at least for me.
3.
Yeah, like one sat next to me, and they're called, like, they're like those big copped individuals, and I was like
They
so
were too
nervous.
scared to get into the car
I
with
guess so. They came in numbers. 2 sat at the back, 1 next to me, and they said, "Acha, yalla."
you?
Yeah, okay, let's go. Okay. So now I'm nervous. I didn't realize that I had not, put the handbrake down, and I'm accelerating now. So the car is stationary and it's doing vroom, vroom, vroom. So that gentleman is looking at me saying, like, is she insane or is she insane? Why is she doing this on a driving test? Is she trying to impress us or what? Like, is she going to take off and fly?
Did all 3 fail you?
Yes. And immediately after that, he was like looking at me, like really shocked, and they spoke to each other in Arabic, and I was like, oh my God, what am I doing? And then I got it right, and they did take me for the test. But obviously, yes, I failed.
Oh my. I think we can do a whole show on driving test stories. And
Yeah.
I know
We all would.
have them.
Yeah.
So you all can come and share that with us. All right, let's take our caller, Radio Azad. You're on the air.
जी, Assalamualaikum, Aisha and Tasneem.
Walaikum
Happy
assalam.
Independence Day.
Thank you, and to you too.
Thank you. Yeah. For me, independence has a new meaning for me.
Absolutely, I'm sure it does. Right candidate to talk about this.
Yes. What does
Yes,
it feel like? What does it feel like to be master of your own decisions?
Oh, sometimes it feels scary. Sometimes it feels like I have to get somebody's permission. But then I realize, no, I don't need that.
Mhm.
I can make my own decisions. I can make whatever I need. I don't have to be at the house a certain time. I don't have to answer anybody except God.
Hmm.
Yeah.
You know? And that feeling is so good. I was actually sharing with the Nasreen, Nasreen,
Mhm.
that I really don't know how I feel.
Mhm.
I can't pinpoint my feelings, how I'm supposed to feel.
Mhm.
But the thing for sure, I feel like, okay, yes, no, nobody to answer to. I can do, if I make mistake, I will own it. I will learn from it and move on.
Yep.
Nobody's there to tell me, no, you're stupid. You don't know what you're doing. You have to, nobody's repeating things 10 times to give me a feeling that, oh, no, you don't have a mind.
Mhm.
And
Yeah.
I feel so confident. And Radio Azad and you have a big hand in my changing my thinking to be independent and feeling like there is nothing wrong with that.
Mhm.
Mm.
Thank
And
you.
we should be able to make our decision. We should be, no matter what, nobody has the right to take our independence from us.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Perfect. Shaida ji, and
You
we'll
did
talk
have a
more.
great day.
Thank you. Radio Azad, you're on the air.
Hello, Aisha ji. Hello, Tasneem. Good morning.
Hello.
And happy Independence Day
Thank
to
you.
all of you. 14 August and 15 August, yes, both are very special day. Yeah.
Yes.
So सभी को आज़ादी की मुबारक.
Thank you. Thank you.
And बहुत ही अच्छा topic है आज आपका. And then are you guys talking about the self-independent?
Mhm. Yes.
And अगर self-independent की बात करें तो I think so I can say is a personal independence involves being the master of your own destiny.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes. Having a self-confidence and managing your life effectively
Mhm.
towards your goal.
Mhm.
So I think so ये और कहते हैं ना कि जो freedom होती है it comes with the responsibility.
Mhm.
जी.
चाहे खुद की responsibility हो चाहे हमारी country के प्रति responsibility हो तो या हमारी community के प्रति responsibility हो. So I think so that's what is it.
That's very well expressed, Ritu. Do you think in our culture, do you think औरतों को जो है enough of this managing your own life or master of your own destiny सिखाया जाता है और allow किया जाता है and allow किया जाता है?
Yeah, and Aisha ji, I want to say depend to family
Hmm.
because most of the family are still not educated and they are not aware of it because still आप कहीं भी अगर बहुत ऐसे एरिया में जाओगे जहाँ पे स्टिल हमारी वुमेन्स को दे आर नॉट इतना एजुकेशन जो मिलना चाहिए, जो हेल्थ से
Hmm.
जो उनके राइट है रिलेटेड वो मिलने चाहिए, वो अभी तक नहीं है।
Mhm.
तो
Yeah.
अभी भी बहुत सारे ऐसी जगह हैं जहाँ पे आई डोंट थिंक सो वो जो हेल्थ है वो वहाँ पे है।
Yeah.
पर लेकिन हाँ, सम ऑफ द एरिया बिकॉज अभी तो 2024 एंड आप अगर सराउंडिंग में हमारे बच्चों को देखेंगे एंड देन गर्ल्स को देखेंगे,
Hmm.
आई थिंक सो दे टेल अस हमारे राइट्स के हैं।
Yeah.
तो या सो अभी भी इस बहुत ज़रूरत है कम्युनिटी में
Mhm.
हेल्प करने की और ऐसे लोगों की हेल्प करने की जो कि दे कैन गेट अ प्रॉपर एजुकेशन। इवन अगर फूड भी आप देखें ना, फूड भी नहीं मिल पाता है, ना एजुकेशन मिल पाती है, ना फूड, ना हेल्थ।
जी
तो बहुत बहुत अब बहुत काम करने की ज़रूरत है यार।
बिल्कुल। और पता है लोग मुझे पूछते हैं कि आर यू अ फेमिनिस्ट एंड आई से यस आई एम अ वेरी प्राउड फेमिनिस्ट बट व्हाट डज फेमिनिज्म एक्चुअली मीन लाइक टू मी फेमिनिज्म मीन्स making sure that there's equal access to opportunity. And what kind of opportunities to all the things you mentioned, education and healthcare and financial freedom and things like that. It's that access to equal opportunities that should not be denied.
यस एंड इवन यहाँ पे भी मुझे अभी भी बहुत लगता है कि हमारी जितनी भी यहाँ पे भी हम लोग हैं यूएस में हैं, तो अगर फाइनेंस हेल्थ का तो फिर भी शायद है ना, पर फाइनेंशियली अभी भी स्टेबल नहीं है
बिल्कुल
अभी। या दे आर नॉट आई थिंक सो एजुकेटेड कि उनको क्या करना है, कल कुछ ऐसा प्रॉब्लम आ जाए लाइफ में, they don't know how, where to start.
Absolutely. And that's the number one reason why women don't leave abusive relationships is क्योंकि they cannot be
dependent हैं।
financially independent. ये जो हमारी नई CPA है शालिनी कोडियल और जो ये हर हफ्ते shows करेंगी
जी।
a big component of that is educating women on how to achieve that financial freedom and financial independence. It's so
Yeah.
important, and we've stressed this over the years on our shows as well. It's such a कुछ नहीं जानते accounts कौन से हैं, कितना balance है, ATM, checks. Some of us
Yes.
don't even have access to our own money.
या बेसिक थिंग्स नहीं पता कि एटीएम मशीन यूज कैसे करना है।
Yeah. Yeah.
तो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं एंड थैंक यू, आप लोग हमेशा अच्छा लेके आते हो टॉपिक और हमेशा इस हम लोग हमारे से लोग कुछ ना कुछ लर्न करते हैं इससे एंड
Thank you.
लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट।
Thank you. हम अच्छे टॉपिक्स लेके आते हैं लेकिन हमारे सुनने वाले बहुत अच्छे हैं.
Thank you, Aisha ji. Thank you. Have a good day, both of you.
Thank you.
Thank
so
you,
much.
Ritu, so much for a great call. Yes.
So, bilkul, I feel ki, all of the points that, we talked about we've come a long way, right? Over the years, this has been, worked upon. There have been women who have, been torchbearers and people have been inspired and followed. And therefore, we are here today. Now, like with any skill, like with any trait quality, if it is underused, it's not good for you. If it is overused, it's not good for you. So finding the right balance is very, very important because, I mean, yes, self-reliance is great. And yes, self-independence is, I feel nowadays, a very, very, how should I say, कि वो एक +1 वाली चीज नहीं है कि भाई ये भी हो तो अच्छा है. I feel it's a very important one to have in your personality. Without it, how will you survive?
Yeah.
You know, there are
In
many
today's world.
today's world, how would you do it?
Yeah.
Especially where running a household is concerned. A friend of mine comes to mind. We were just talking last evening, and she was mentioning. She said over the years, she just recently got divorced, and she said, I would have never imagined to be able to do the things that I am now doing, to do the things that I had to learn. There was no choice. But thank God for that, because today, I mean, it's all just seems so easy when at one time it seemed so daunting. Ki, how will I manage my own finances? How
Yeah.
will I run my own home? How will I,
Change the oil in my car.
yeah, simple things like that.
Yeah.
Like yesterday, actually, my printer at home was not working, and I didn't know how to print my notes for today's show. And my husband is out of town, and I was like, "Ab main kya karoon?"
Oh.
Because it was like 10 p.m., so there was nowhere else to go, and I needed them. I usually read before I go to bed. So I was like, okay, I tried, I pottered, but you know me and technology, right? मैंने सोचा शायद अभी कुछ ही चला जाए, iCloud ही destroy हो जाए घर का. So then I had to call him, and poor thing woke up and kind of guided me through it. कि ऐसा करो, वैसा करो, वैसा करो.
Mhm.
And that's how we are here today. So lesson to be learned. I need to know how to make that printer work when the printer is not working.
Yeah, that's a good story. But we'll talk about this. Let's take a caller. Radio Azad, you're on the air.
Ji, Aisha and Tasneem.
Yes.
I can relate to your first caller, last caller
Mhm.
also.
Mhm.
And I had to learn. And, it's a so good feeling that you can pick up the phone, or you can, if I want to order something on Amazon, or I want to order the grocery from somewhere else, and I don't have to ask somebody,
Mhm.
Yeah.
or I don't have like, okay, no, तुम इससे ज़्यादा नहीं ले सकते हो. Those kind of things, they are little things for a lot of people, but they are so rewarding
Yeah.
that you can, and Tasneem ने जिसका का इनको printer का नहीं पता, तो then you just Google things. Now,
Yeah.
Google is my
Absolutely.
thing to go, because when I ask my son a question also, तो कहता है, Mom, you should make the Google your friend.
Mhm.
Yes, I am here to help you, but try to figure out first, and if you don't, then I will help you, and that's what he does.
Yeah. Yeah.
And that is, but that freedom was never, we did not look at that as a freedom thing.
जी.
Yeah.
We were
It's so
trained
good, yeah.
like, तुम हमारे बगैर कदम
नहीं
भी
कर
नहीं उठा
सकते.
सकती हो.
Yes. true.
Exactly. Perfect. Thank you. We're going to
You're-
look forward to all your great insights in the show today.
Thank you. Okay.
So it was very interesting. We were away on vacation, and
Mhm.
my recently, and my sister-in-law was staying at home. And poor thing, everything that was supposed to not break down broke down. The AC, the car, the plumbing, and things like that. And so we were, I was just calling all the work people from overseas, and just saying, "Acha, aap is time pe aaya aap is." So my husband made a comment. He's like, how come when we are home, nothing like this happens? And I started laughing, and I said, yes, it does happen. It's just that I'm there to handle
To
it
take
all,
care of it. Yeah.
and that's how it is. But, a couple of things that our callers have said. So I was at a lunch a few years ago, and we were all just meeting, and one of my friends there, she was very pareshan, and you could see it on her face,
Mhm.
and all that kind of stuff, and she's like, she whispered to me, and she's like, I forgot to ask permission from my husband, and I don't have any money in my account, and I don't know what to do. And I was like, okay, this is such a simple thing, right? Which I think a lot of women don't have.
Mm.
That independence, that it was a $10 lunch, that means she did not even have access to $10, the freedom to have her own credit card to spend that $10.
Yeah.
And to me, that was really telling about the situation of a lot of women who seemingly seem very independent, maybe even going out to work, but they have to hand over all their money
Yeah.
to their husbands, and they don't have the freedom to even spend their own money. They have to ask, can I buy this? Can I buy this for myself? Can I buy this for my kids? Can I buy this for my home, our home, and so on and so forth? What do you think about that?
I think that is, when I think a relationship is borderline toxic, according to me, because you are this is taking dependence also to many notches higher, because you're caging the person up. Freedom comes of many sorts and kinds. Yes, there's emotional freedom. There's your physical freedom in terms of कि मैं कहाँ जाती हूँ, कहाँ आती हूँ, that level of trust that you function with. And then financial freedom is also a very, very important part of that whole existence of that human being. So if आप $5-10 के लिए भी अगर उनको बहुत ही tight रख रहे हैं, so then it's a suffocating feeling.
Suffocating, absolutely. I think our mother's generation, they were sort of used to this dependence on other people. I remember my mother-in-law would tell me, "Acha, go and get this from me I need a sweater. Can you go get this for me?" Or, I want this or the other. And I was like, "Ammi, why don't you come with me and I'll take you?" And I was like, haven't you been shopping all these years? I mean, successful, physician and mother of 3 and running a household. And she's like, I have never gone shopping in my life.
Huh.
Yeah. So her husband used to get all the groceries, the meat, the dal, atta, everything. She would be completely like he would run the household, but it was not like oh, you can't do it, but that's just how
It's
things
conditioning,
were.
it's like, yeah, it's conditioning. And not to say that, I mean, therefore she led a horrible life. I'm sure she must be happy, but it's just that वो exposure ही नहीं था ना.
Yeah.
तो वो भी एक बात है ना, जो चीज आपने देखी ही नहीं है, वो चीज आप मिस नहीं करोगे.
Exactly.
So
But I think it's this feeling that, oh, I have to go with you and I have to guide you. I think that really makes the person takes their self-esteem to take a hit. Ke, Acha, I can only do this if
yeah,
somebody else is with me. Right?
true.
So,
And I think eventually then, it all boils down to a balance. कि आपको कितना self reliance, like if you're talking about relationships, I mean, therefore this show is not about कि भाई आप झांसी की रानी बनिए और बस दौड़ी ही चली जाए. You've got to wait and look around for who's with you by your side as well, and for that you will need interdependence. So there's dependence, there's independence, and there's interdependence.
yeah.
And interdependence, we all know कि हम एक दूसरे के बिना in a relationship तो for sure, but even otherwise, आप माहौल में, community में, we need each other to grow, to thrive. And if that's missing, and you've gone on, on an extreme self-reliant protest, then you are sabotaging yourself from living that life that you actually truly desired, which is why you may have gone on this journey in this first place.
I was watching an interview of Javed Akhtar yesterday. And they said, you have a very equal relationship with Shabana Azmi. What does that mean? And he said, look, at any given time, one person is in control. Sometimes I'm in control. Sometimes she is in control. And that's what equality is in the relationship. You want to go out to eat somewhere. Sometimes it'll be my choice, and sometimes it'll be her choice.
Yeah, that's true, right? It's about shared leadership in that sense. It's not about कि भाई ये, I mean, of course, that too, sometimes I've seen households that work very beautifully where they say, okay, fine, this is my area and I'm going to take care of it. This is you do it well. So here, more power to you, you do it. Which is great if it works for you. But what happens sometimes in that is you do not learn what you are not good at. और खुदा ना खास्ता आपको वो चीज करनी पड़ गई कभी भी लाइफ में, जिंदगी में, तो फिर एक बहुत ही daunting सा टास्क लगता है कि अब ये मैं कैसे सीखूंगी, which is which is probably finances for many women, especially in desi households. Like हमें लगता है कि ये part कैसे कर लेंगे भाई, कैसे घर चला लेंगे, from a investments कैसे करेंगे, वो तो मुझे समझ ही नहीं आता है.
Hmm.
So I feel वो आप धीरे धीरे अपने आप को expose करेंगी तो yeah, it may not be your core skill set, but just learning the basics and fundamentals will add volumes to your self-confidence.
Yeah. But on the other hand, Tasim, what does it mean to be too independent?
जी, true. अब too independent is उसके लिए I would like you to
Let's take
probably
a caller first.
sure.
Radio Azad, you're on the air.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम आयशा एंड तस्नीम।
Walaikum
वालेकुम
assalam.
अस्सलाम. I
आजादी मुबारक पाकिस्तान को, आजादी मुबारक इंडिया को।
Thank you. Khair Mubarak.
हमारे घर में इंडिया पाकिस्तान दोनों का चलता रहता है, इंटरडिपेंडेंसी।
Yes. So, similar thing in the studio with our show.
यस, तो जिंदगी में ना इंटरडिपेंडेंसी बहुत जरूरत है। और रफी और मेरी लाइफ में बैलेंस ऐसा है कि रफी कभी 100%, कभी मैं 100%, मगर मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम इट्स 50-50। तो ये रिलेशनशिप की बात होगी हस्बैंड वाइफ की, मगर कुछ डिसीजंस में आई लाइक इंटरडिपेंडेंसी
जी
बिकॉज जैसा माहौल होता है, जैसे काम चलते हैं, जैसे रिपेयर्स है घर का, आई लव इट व्हेन ही टेक्स ए कंट्रोल ओवर इट एंड आई एम कंट्रीब्यूटिंग। घर को चलाने के लिए दूसरी चीजों में he gives the entire this to me and he's always available. So as far as our relationship is concerned, interdependency है हम लोगों की, मगर ऐसी भी नहीं कि हम लोगों ने अपनी identity lose की है. We are very much in balance and doing that. ये हो गया.
Two holes. SKFG, so what you're saying is the important thing is two holes make a hole.
बिल्कुल, दोनों को मिला के एक खूबसूरत सा बगीचा बनता है. ये तो इस रिलेशनशिप की बात हो गई, मगर दुनिया में मैंने देखा है कि लोग वो इंडिपेंडेंस, आजादी का डिफरेंट वे से मायने निकालते हैं और इसको बहुत मिसयूज होता है और इसको बहुत बुरा भी समझा जाता है, इसको बहुत अच्छा भी समझा जाता है. सो अलग सिचुएशंस के लिहाज से अलग अलग. अब जब ये एथलीट्स compete करती हैं या करते हैं, उनको बहुत इंडिपेंडेंट होना होता है, मगर अगर सपोर्ट नहीं रहेगा तो कैसे वो अचीव करेंगे वो सारे गोल्स. मगर अपना अंदरूनी स्ट्रेंथ निकालना पड़ता है, आजादी का माइंड सेट करना पड़ता है, आई विल गेट इट डन. और हेल्प अगर मिल जाए तो क्या देखने का है. और एक टाइम था जब एथलीट्स, वुमेन एथलीट्स मेन से बहुत कम थी, मगर आई थिंक इन दिस ओलंपिक एज फार एज यूएसए इज कंसर्न, आई थिंक दे वर ऑलमोस्ट इक्वल एंड वन ऑलमोस्ट इक्वल. तो टाइम चेंज हो रहा है. मगर मैं बताऊं, मेरी अम्मी का जैसे टोटली डिपेंडेंट ऑन हर हस्बैंड, बिकॉज बेगम साहब थी घर की, घर का चलाती थी, मगर घर की चीजों में भी डैडी को बताना पड़ता था कि ये ऐसा है, ये वैसा है, बिकॉज शी लव्ड इट बीइंग डिपेंडेंट ऑन माय फादर. बट व्हेन द क्राइसिस केम 1971 के बाद, क्योंकि उन्होंने इतना डैडी से सीखा था और उनमें वो इनर स्ट्रेंथ थी, वो बिल्कुल इंडिपेंडेंट हो गई. वो हम 4 बच्चों को अपने से बड़ा किया है उन्होंने विदाउट मनी, मगर उनका इनर स्ट्रेंथ जो था ना, जिंदा रहने की जो ख्वाहिश और टू डू द बेस्ट शी कैन फॉर हर चिल्ड्रन, शी डिड दैट. हम लोगों को बोलती थी पढ़ लो, कितने भी तकलीफ हो पढ़ लो, गेट योर एजुकेशन और काम करो और हमेशा से इंडिपेंडेंट रहो. ये सोच लो, फाइनेंशियली इज्जत उस वक्त होती है जब तुम हर तरह से आजाद रहते हो, माशी तरह से, खास तौर से एजुकेशन वाइज एंड ऑल, कैरियर्स बनाओ. साथ साथ दूसरी चीजों में वो मुझे कहती थी, मेरी इजाजत के बगैर तुम यहाँ नहीं जा सकती. भाई लोगों को ज्यादा कंट्रोल दिया हुआ था मेरी आजादी के ऊपर, इन द सेंस कि मैं कहाँ जाती हूँ, किससे मिलती हूँ, क्योंकि माहौल वैसा था. अब मुझे अंदाजा होता है कि हाँ, जो वो बोलती थी वो सही था, क्योंकि इतना आसान है को एजुकेशन में खो जाना और जो प्रायोरिटीज हैं उनको भूल जाना. तो मैं बुरा नहीं मानती उस बात का. लड़कियों को सर्टेन, हमारे जनरेशन तक कम से कम बहुत ये था कि भाई लोग वो ज्यादा डिक्टेट करते थे, कहाँ जा सकते, कहाँ नहीं, कहाँ ये, कहाँ वो एंड ऑल। उस टाइम में मुझे बहुत बुरा लगता था, मगर मैंने अब जानती हूँ कि वो इसलिए बोलते थे कि कहीं मैं हर्ट ना हो जाऊं, कि मैं क्योंकि फादर फिगर नहीं थे मेरी लाइफ में, तो कहीं मैं उल्टे सहारों पे डिपेंडेंट ना हो जाऊं। तो ये बड़ा ही कंफ्यूजिंग, बहुत माने नॉट कंफ्यूजिंग, मल्टी फैसेटेड टॉपिक है, विच
Yeah.
इज एक्सेलेंट। बट कंट्रीज का इंडिपेंडेंस फिर अलग है। आजकल तो आज तो शायद अभी मैंने ज्वाइन किया आप लोगों को, तो पर्सनल इंडिपेंडेंस बात करी या
जी।
कंट्रीज का?
No, self
तो हाँ,
independence.
तो मैं समझती हूँ मैं बहुत इंडिपेंडेंट हूँ, मगर मैं वही चाहूंगी जो मैं रफी के लिए भी, जो मैं अपने लिए, एंड आई डोंट वांट हिम टू बी 100% इंडिपेंडेंट, कि घर से बाहर जा रहे हैं, नॉट टेलिंग मी कहाँ जा रहे हैं,
Yeah.
इंडिपेंडेंट हूँ मैं, नो। वैसा नहीं। तो इसके साथ मैं कहती हूँ व्हाट अ टॉपिक, एंड what is I think separation in relationship, separation is the first step towards independence.
That was so cute. SKFG, we're
तो
laughing.
ख्याल रखिएगा, हाँ दोनों। I'm looking forward to the rest of the program. I finished my errands. जल्दी मैंने
Yay.
किया, देखिए,
Oh, thank
but
you
I'm
so
not
much.
emotionally independent of Radio Azad. You can see that even when I'm working, my emotions are dependent on Radio Azad.
Thank you. And we
Take
don't
care,
want you
both
to
of
be
you. Thank you.
independent. Thank you. That is so cute.
And it is true, isn't it? Like आप इतने independent है कि आप चल दिए भाई. Don't ask me where I'm going. I'm going. Don't ask.
That was just the cutest example.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sometimes, you know, when you flip things, you see the, you know, the humor in it all, right? And it's just funny. अच्छा.
Absolutely. But जी हम बात कर रहे थे कि भाई जब बहुत ही ज़्यादा independence हो जाता है तो when is it like why is it a bad thing? And I think when you're being too independent, you're relying on yourself so much that sometimes it just becomes counterproductive. And why is that so? Is because the overemphasis on yourself or relying on yourself can push you towards isolation. It can make it difficult for you to build or maintain meaningful relationships with other people.
Yeah.
और वो भी अगर छोड़े आप, तो people who are excessively independent, I feel, they lose out on asking for help.
Yes.
They refuse, they feel कि नहीं मैं तो independent हूँ, मुझे ही करना है, self-reliance. And while that can be beneficial for a bit, but potentially what you're then standing to lose out on is the advantages of collaboration and support.
Absolutely. I cannot emphasize this point enough because our knowledge is very limited, right? But if you expand that base, you include in teamwork, in different resources, there is so much that you can actually gain by getting people who have different expertise. But sometimes, our ego gets in the way and you're like, no, it's going to be just what I know and what I'm saying is right. But two heads are better than one, right? Ek aur ek, 11.
Absolutely. So the key then is like the balance that we were talking about कि आप self-reliant तो हैं ही, but उसके साथ आप support और companionship से भी फायदे ले रहे हैं, और जो interdependence की जो beautiful blossom होती है एक life individual की, वो आप enjoy कर रहे हैं.
Yeah. Do you think people know how to ask for help?
No.
No.
Absolutely not. I think I learned that also very slowly, but thankfully, surely.
Yeah.
But I think because somewhere, and I'm sure you feel that too. Like, see, for me with my profession, sometimes I feel like, oh, if I ask for help in the sense, oh, I'm not feeling good, or, I'm going through a rough phase, then how do I gain credibility for what I do? But fortunately, this bubble burst long ago where I said that if I don't do that, how will I gain credibility for what I do?
Yeah.
Because if I've not gone through stuff that we all go through, and if I'm not vocal about it, and if I'm not asking for help about it, then how will I assure and inspire somebody else to work through their struggles and be able to do the same?
Yeah. And I think sometimes we get only one-sided, the echo chamber that we are hearing. एक ही चीज अगर हम सिर्फ अपनी बात सुन रहे हैं तो फिर ऐसे कैसे चलेगा?
Absolutely,
एक ही बात।
perspectives
Yeah.
narrow down हो जाएगी.
Yeah. Let's take a caller. Radio Azad, you're on the air.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम लेडीज,
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
कैसी हैं?
बिल्कुल ठीक, आप बताएं।
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ। मैं ये कहना चाहती थी आयशा, नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं आपसे मिलूँ ना, मैं आपको एक और एक $2 दूंगी, आप मुझे 11 वापस कर दीजिएगा।
जरूर, बिल्कुल।
और दूसरे मैं एक चीज ये कहना चाहूंगी कि देखिए हमारा माशरा, हम लोग जो ना माशरे में जो हम लोग चीजें बना लेते हैं, कहते हैं ये मर्दों वाले काम है कि नहीं करो तुम, ये औरतों वाले काम तुम के लिए क्या क्या लेके बैठ गए हो। When life throws curveball, they don't see, the life doesn't see your gender.
राइट।
तो उसको लाइफ को नहीं पता है कि आप मर देंगे, ये काम आपके हैं और ये काम बाज ऐसा होते हैं कि कोई शौहर है, उनके वाइफ की डेथ अर्ली हो जाती है बच्चे पीछे छोड़ के, तो आपको किचन का काम आना चाहिए। तो मैं समझती हूँ कि फॉर वर्स्ट सिचुएशन ऐसी वाइस वर्सा, अगर औरतों को जाके ऑयल चेंज कराना है, टायर चेंज करना है या कुछ भी करना है,
Yeah.
छोटे मोटे काम, तो वो खुद भी, प्लम्बिंग के छोटे मोटे काम होते हैं, खुद भी सीख ले सकता है इंसान।
Yeah.
तो यूट्यूब तो अब तो बहुत अवेलेबल, पहले नहीं होता था, अब बहुत अवेलेबल है, बहुत सारी हेल्प आपको उसके थ्रू मिल जाती है। तो मैं समझती हूँ दोनों जेंडर को दोनों चीजें आनी चाहिए।
बिल्कुल।
और बिकॉज लाइफ, अगेन मैंने कहा, जब लाइफ आपके साथ खेल करती है तो वो नहीं देखती कि आपका जेंडर क्या है। तो
बिल्कुल।
मेरा अपना ये मानना
Great
है।
point.
थोड़ा जी,
Great
थैंक यू
point.
सो मच।
Thank you. One of my friends had gone away to Pakistan on vacation, and her
Mhm.
husband was here, and he didn't know how to operate the dishwasher. So he called the wife, and he's like, "How do you run this thing?" And she's like, "What do you mean, how do I run this thing? Just open the door. There are buttons on top. Just turn it on." And he goes, "But the counter is on top of the dishwasher. There are no buttons, you know." And she's like, "Look under the counter, you open the door, and then you can do that." So,
Oh my God.
yeah.
Yeah, imagine that, right? So, but yeah, we all have our, little hidden away secrets. कि भाई ये चीज आपको नहीं आती है. So yeah, I think Aisha and me are slowly but surely getting used to washing all our dirty linen in public. Thanks to me or not, I don't know. But I think I think that's the way we all enjoy, and that's the way we learn from each other, and that's the way we build independence in ourselves, because we realize कि भाई हाँ ये चीज मेरी सही है और ये चीज मुझे थोड़ी brush up करनी है.
Bilkul, bilkul. So, anything else as far as being too independent is concerned?
I think other than that, the negative consequences, as I said, loneliness being a big one. And loneliness, loneliness, in fact, according to a 2023 survey, was one of the key factors of all many mental health challenges. I won't say all, but anxiety, depression, and forming deep relationships, like happy relationships. And we all know that we cannot survive in isolation. So I feel loneliness is one of the biggest downfalls or disadvantages of being too self-reliant. And other than that, I feel if you're open to assistance, and if that comes not easily to you, then take baby steps, like do small things in asking for help. Or in fact, even, just as you were talking about Javed Akhtar, कि भाई एक बार इनका, तो it's not even asking for help. Just start with that. Start with going with the flow of what somebody else wants to do. That will start opening up the doors of you getting into the habit of being okay to go with someone else's flow. And then you can take that one step forward and ask for help.
And I think sometimes we put on a facade. You know, we are perceived as being, excuse me, we are perceived as being too independent. कि, oh, इसको हम नहीं छेड़ते, या, should we leave her alone or him alone because, he's just so with it. But inside, they may be crying out for help.
Absolutely. And in fact, what you said just reminds me of me, because मेरी शादी according to standards late हुई. So this was one of the tags that I bore for the longest time, कि लड़की बहुत independent है, career minded है, घर नहीं उठा सकेगी, तो इसलिए उसका नहीं हो रहा है. So I feel we are so quick to judge as a society, and we are so quick to pass judgments and give a tag कि भाई हमारे हिसाब से ये सही नहीं है. And at that time, I was crying for help from within, because I knew the pressures on me. I knew what my family was going through as a result. I wanted to get married as well. And it wasn't my fault that I was not finding somebody that I felt that I wanted to spend the rest of my life with. But that was what I carried, the cross of being too independent for a long time.
You were just waiting for AB all this time.
Absolutely.
All right. You're listening to Double Shot Espresso with life coach Tasneem and Asha. Anything else you want to add?
No, I think that is a good meaty beginning to the subject. Loads coming up in terms of how some of us struggle to be independent, and is authenticity. Maybe we talked about that. We can probably just conclude on that. That is authenticity a part of being self-independent? And I feel yes, a resounding yes. Because self-reliant जो हम बात करते हैं कि तो authenticity उसका by product ही हुआ ना. अगर आप authentic नहीं हैं तो आप self-reliant कैसे होंगे?
Yeah.
So I feel authenticity भी आपकी बरकरार रहती है और in fact blossom होती है because of your self-reliance. So the byproduct skill that you develop or value that comes into your life is that of living a life of high efficacy, self-efficacy, and truly authentic lifestyle.
Okay, let's take a last caller. Radio Azad, you're on the air.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
You see, it depends a lot on how, if you're living in a joint family, then you're not that interdependent on each other. I mean, you're completely dependent on what your elders are doing or your elder siblings are doing. So you just go along with them. So I feel, in our countries, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and all these places, we are controlled from the beginning by the elders, especially male family members. And then when we get married, we are supposed to be under the control of our husbands. Because we come from a joint family and we knew what that we have to be, we have to listen to our husband. So I remember once when I was, we were crossing the road in Toronto, and the traffic had just stopped, and we wanted to cross the road. So the light came on. As soon as the light came on, I dashed and, just ran across the other side of the street. My husband, and suddenly I heard somebody howling and shouting, and I didn't know. I said, that sounds like my husband, but why is he shouting? And where is he? And there I saw that he was still waiting to be crossing. And because he thought, that I'm quite slow and I'm dependent on him for crossing. And here I just ran like a bullet. So he was shocked.
Yeah.
That I was on the other side of the road. And then I waved out to him from the other side, and people were looking at us. Yeah, a man is shouting away and this woman is waving, and what is happening? And then he came across, and my God, he gave me a good lecture. How did you cross the road without me? So I became so dependent on him for everything. Even for grocery shopping, I wouldn't pick up a packet of anything because I thought maybe, the ingredients are not good or what, I don't know. So, completely independent on him for everything. Even when I went to parties and I would say something, he would come home and say, you said something like that. Because he was a lawyer, so he was all the time, finding where I was going wrong. So anyway, but it was fun.
Yeah, but that's a product of, I think, your times and the culture, right?
Yeah.
That is exactly what we are talking about. And yeah, there are people who say, well, between husband and wife, like this is what you're going to say. I mean, and then the poor wife has to even say that. So make sure you have downloaded the Radio Azad iPhone or Android app. It's absolutely free and gives you a lot of independence. Trust me. And independence of voice. It's where your voice matters. And do find our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, Spotify. We are in so many different countries, like at least 12, 15 different countries are tuning into our podcast. So excited about that. So much more coming up on our Double Shot Espresso talk show.